Hello everyone, my name is Pradeep Kumar. I belong to Madhubani, Bihar. I have completed my Bachelor of Technology in Mechanical Engineering from Rajasthan Technical University, Kota in 2019. After that, I was searching for a job. Then one of my friends suggested me about Evision Technoshop. Evision is an IT recruitment company. After taking full knowledge and details about Evision, I joined full-time job internship program where I learned a lot of things about IT industries. After completion of my course, I attended 2 to 3 interviews and I got selected in Genpact company, which is located in Noida with the CTC of 2.5 lakh per annum. Lastly, I want to say that Evision is a best platform for freshers who is searching job in IT industries and who is struggling. Thanks Evision team and my HR for always support me.